In Boston, Massachusetts, two historic buildings emerge as some of the most luxurious in the state. The Maison collection consists of two residential properties that have been meticulously restored with unprecedented features incorporating the finest and most exclusive materials, extraordinary quality, together with state-of-the-art conveniences. Chevron Partners, the developer behind these buildings, chose Boston for these projects because the city's rich architectural heritage and international appeal align with their vision of timeless European-inspired design and meticulous craftsmanship. These homes are the result of a global collaboration, with Chevron Partners bringing together dozens of artisans, architects, and designers from around the world, all working in harmony to create truly exceptional residences. The Maison collection simultaneously embodies the essence of historic Beacon Hill and Back Bay in its grandeur of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. The result is 12 iconic residences, which have set a new standard for luxury living in restored properties. This video will examine both buildings in depth, discussing the features, finishes, location, pricing, and availability. My name is Charlie Smith, founder of the Boston Luxury Homes YouTube channel and real estate advisor in the city and surrounding suburbs. Reach out anytime for assistance buying, leasing, or investing in the greater Boston area. Maison Vernon and Maison Commonwealth represent the epitome of luxury residential development in Boston, combining the city's rich architectural heritage with contemporary European influences, creating exclusive living spaces for discerning buyers. Developed by Chevron Partners, a vertically integrated boutique firm known for its scrupulous attention to detail, use of imported materials, and dedication to the craft, these two buildings are some of the finest residential properties in Boston, Massachusetts. Starting off with their flagship Maison project, Maison Vernon, seated at 39-41 Mount Vernon Street in the charming Beacon Hill neighborhood, this condo conversion was completed in 2019 with 7 total residences. Chevron Partners saw incredible residential potential in this turn-of-the-century printing building. With an ultra-rare 50-foot wide, fully south-facing floor plate in a gloriously classic Bostonian architectural envelope, Chevron Partners executed a vision of European modern grandeur in this otherwise very classic neighborhood. To do so, Chevron Partners formed its subsidiary sourcing company, Adage, to bring exclusive European products to the property, such as hand-carved Italian marble fireplace mantels, French oak chevron pattern flooring, cast plaster crown moldings, sleek Italian kitchens, and floor-to-ceiling imported marble bathrooms. The result was the highest per square foot pricing in the history of Beacon Hill and the first of Chevron's Maison brand of luxury residences. The design philosophy emphasizes a dialogue of beauty, preserving tradition through restored elements like the red brick facade and carved limestone, while introducing modern refinements such as a custom wrought iron and glass elevator. Architecturally, Maison Vernon features ultra-rare 50-foot wide, fully south-facing floor plans with 24 windows per level and ceiling heights reaching up to 13 feet, flooding interiors with natural light, with select residences taking in views of the Massachusetts State House. The building's envelope respects its Bostonian heritage with a full facade restoration that blends period details like hand-cast plaster moldings from the Boston Ornament Company, sourced from historic 19th century pieces in Back Bay, Beacon Hill, and South End, with sleek modern elements. Unique highlights include an art-curated lobby, a European wraparound staircase with grand landings, and the penthouse's fully operable floor-to-ceiling glass panels opening to a landscape terrace, enhancing indoor-outdoor flow. The residences vary in size and configuration, catering to diverse lifestyles while maintaining boutique exclusivity. Living rooms exemplify this, featuring imported French oak wood flooring, arranged in chevron patterns for visual interest and durability, combined with hand-cast plaster crown moldings and imported hand-carved European mantels. These homes have gas fireplaces in primary suites and living rooms, creating warm, inviting hubs for relaxation and entertaining, with plaster medallions and brackets adding ornate detail. Kitchens are showstoppers, designed with sleek modern Italian cabinetry and custom millwork for bespoke antique to modern aesthetics. Countertops and surfaces use luxurious Carrara marble, paired with high-end appliances from Wolf and Sub-Zero, including ranges, refrigerators, wine coolers, speed ovens, and integrated systems for professional-grade performance. These kitchens integrate seamlessly with cast plaster crown moldings to blend the historical charm with contemporary utility. Bedrooms are created to maximize comfort and privacy, particularly in the expansive primary suites that include gas fireplaces with hand-carved Italian marble mantels and custom closets. Adjoining bathrooms have a spa-like design, clad in floor-to-ceiling large-format marble imported from Italy, with custom vanities from tailor-made stucco. Finishes throughout highlight artisanal excellence, with exclusive European sourcing via adage design, ensuring materials like book-matched marble and innovative wood structures stand out. Amenities at Maison Vernon include a 24-hour concierge and valet parking, car service scheduling, secure in-unit storage for dry cleaning, groceries and packages, and maintenance for decks, marble, appliances, and HVAC. Additional perks include state-of-the-art security, resident storage, and a wine storage room. Outdoor spaces vary by residence, such as the penthouse's 842 square foot rooftop level with a landscape terrace, balconies up to 176 square feet, and terraces reaching 510 square feet in lower units, providing private alfresco areas. Maison Vernon features two two-bedroom units, which sold from $3.2 to $4.2 million, 4 3-bedroom units, which sold between $4.9 and $6.5 million, and 1 4-bedroom unit that reached $15 million. Currently, one of the 3-bedroom floor plans is available on the market, offered at $6.5 million. The building itself sits in the heart of Beacon Hill, perched at the top of the hill with stunning south-facing views, overlooking the Golden Dome of the Massachusetts State House and the lush Boston Common just steps away. This prime location places it in one of the city's most coveted areas, known for its charming cobblestone streets, federal-style row houses, proximity to cultural landmarks, and the expansive shopping and dining scenes of Charles Street and nearby Newbury Street. The location offers easy access to downtown Boston and the financial district in under 10 minutes, in Cambridge in 15 minutes. Next, Chevron Partners' newest project, Maison Commonwealth, at 260 to 262 Commonwealth Ave, represents the epitome of luxury residential living in Boston's Back Bay, reimagining 2 adjacent historic 19th century brownstones into 5 exclusive boutique residences. Developed by Chevron Partners in partnership with Mayer and Mayer Architecture for design and detailing, Adage Design for material sourcing, Nawset Construction as general contractor, and a host of specialized artisans, this nearly 20,000 square foot project, completed in 2025, emphasizes unparalleled craftsmanship and exclusivity on one of the city's most prestigious streets. Maison Commonwealth boasts ultra-wide 46 to 50-foot wide floor plans with single-floor residences offering over 2,800 square feet, and the penthouse spanning nearly 4,200 square feet across 2 levels, with high ceilings up to 12 feet, oversized south-facing windows, flooding spaces with natural light, and a harmonious integration of period details with modern innovations. The building's envelope pays homage to its Back Bay roots through full facade restoration, including custom mahogany, double-hung windows matching historic profiles, but enhanced with insulated glass for efficiency, paired with ornate splayed surroundings for dramatic light play. Standout elements include a gorgeous lobby with uplit vaulted ceilings, hand-cast plaster moldings from the Boston Ornament Company, and a custom-wrought iron-inspired elevator. Staircases feature minimalist, open floating wood treads on steel stringers, while the penthouse introduces a rooftop level with frameless glass skylights and a 22-foot wide motorized glass wall opening to nearly 1,000 square feet of deck space for seamless indoor-outdoor living. The 5 residences, comprising 2 duplexes, 2 single-floor units, and a 2-level penthouse, vary in configuration to suit sophisticated lifestyles. Floor plans prioritize flow, with grand foyers, spacious primary suites, and private patios or terraces ranging from 177 to 326 square feet on lower levels, and expansive rooftop decks in the penthouse. Living rooms feature imported French oak flooring, laid in chevron patterns for texture and resilience, complemented by hand-cast plaster crown moldings, ceiling bandings, and hand-carved Italian marble mantels surrounding modern gas fireplaces. Kitchens are equipped with sleek Italian cabinetry and custom millwork that merge antique elegance with modern functionality through wood veneers and finishes like walnut naturel and Blum hardware. Surfaces feature luxurious marble countertops from Venetian gold with hand-curated vein-matching waterfalls paired with premium appliances from Wolf. These culinary spaces blend harmoniously with surrounding plaster crown moldings and chevron oak flooring, ensuring a fusion of historical charm and contemporary precision. Bedrooms focus on serenity, especially in the expansive primary suites, featuring gas fireplaces with hand-carved Italian marble mantels, custom closets, and integrated LED recessed lighting. The primary spa-inspired bathrooms are clad in floor-to-ceiling large-format marble, complete with custom wall-hung vanities. Bathroom highlights include freestanding tubs, radiant heated floors, illuminated medicine cabinets, heated towel racks, and polished stainless steel fixtures. Amenities elevate the experience with dedicated 24-hour concierge and valet parking in an underground garage exclusively for the 5 units, secure package and dry cleaning storage, and maintenance service for decks, marble appliances, and HVAC systems. Additional luxuries include state-of-the-art security systems and cameras, resident storage options, and curated wine storage. Prices range from $5.6 to $20 million, with 2 homes remaining for sale. Located at 260 to 262 Commonwealth Avenue, it delivers residents direct views of the Commonwealth Avenue Mall, while being centrally positioned near premier retail like Newbury Street and Boylston Street, with hundreds of shops and restaurants. In conclusion, Maison Vernon and Maison Commonwealth stand as rare achievements in residential design, where historic Boston architecture meets the artistry of European luxury. Every detail, from hand-carved Italian marble to French oak chevron floors, tells a story of precision, passion, and purpose, a level of quality that has redefined what luxury restoration means in the city of Boston. If you're thinking about making a move to Greater Boston, whether buying, renting, or investing, I'd love to be your resource. My name is Charlie Smith, and I specialize in helping clients navigate Boston's luxury real estate market. Feel free to reach out anytime, and if you enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, luxury homes, and property tours.